Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing absolutely well. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to use the replay feature on TradingView in 2026. For that, first of all, simply come here on tradingview.com, then log in into your account with the help of your credentials if you haven't already. Over here, click on the option of products in order to launch the chart in front of you. Once you see the chart here, on the top, you will see the option of replay. So when you click on the option of replay, it will turn black. Once it does, it simply means that you have successfully enabled the bar replay option. Now, when you see this line, you just have to place this line at that particular time from where you want to basically see the chart or start the chart for your back testing. So when you click on that particular area, your chart will go back and it is going to show you the past data of the chart just like so. Now over here in the bottom, we have the option relating to the replay. So here with the help of this option, you can just simply forward the candles just like so. You can click on this play button and the candles will come here just like so automatically. You can increase or decrease the speed of this replay with the help of this option. From this option, you can just make changes into the time frames. So this way you will be able to use the replay feature here on TradingView. Now guys, if in your case the replay option is not available, it simply means that you are not using the premium subscription of TradingView, because this particular option comes with the premium subscription. So I would highly recommend you to check out the link in the description, because with that link you are going to get the current 80% off discount on all of the premium subscriptions. So if you are interested, make sure you check it out. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.